Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from TaskRabbit app faster using direct deposit. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the TaskRabbit app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you are on the home screen, tap the menu icon located in the top left corner. From the menu, select Account Settings. In the Account Settings, look for the Payments section. Tap on the Payment Methods option. Here, you will see your current payment methods. To add a direct deposit, select Add Payment Method. Choose Direct Deposit from the options provided. You will need to enter your bank account information. This includes your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check the numbers for accuracy. Once you have entered the information, tap Save. Now, go back to the main Payments section. Here, locate the option for Withdraw Funds. Select the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that you select your newly added direct deposit method. Review the withdrawal details carefully. Once you confirm everything is correct, tap Withdraw. You will receive a confirmation message once the request is submitted. Direct deposits typically take 1 to 3 business days to process. Keep an eye on your bank account for the withdrawal. If you encounter any issues, return to the account settings. Reach out to TaskRabbit support for further assistance if needed. By following these steps, you can ensure a faster withdrawal process through direct deposit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.